Is it time to buy or sell Wave Life Sciences stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Wave Life Sciences. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2025, our system has ranked Wave Life Sciences as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.81. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 46.31% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 46.31% and 92.52%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -27.31%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -96.54% to +14.62% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 27.7 cents and $9.17. Our latest daily update for Wave Life Sciences include the headline, Volatile Ride for Wave Life Sciences Ltd stock price on Wednesday, moving between $7.12 and $8. The Wave Life Sciences Ltd stock price fell by 16.84% on the last day, Wednesday, the 3rd of September, 2025, from $9.62 to $8. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 12.44% from a day low at $7.12 to a day high of $8. The price has been going up and down during this period, resulting in a loss of 15.88% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 10 million shares, although this occurred with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 11 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $86,071,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $16.74, while the lowest was $5.04. Currently, the price is 52.21% or $8.74, below the 52-week high, and 85.71% or $48, below the all-time high on September 25, 2018, when the price reached $56. Wave Life Sciences is once again in the spotlight following a clinical update on September 3rd regarding WVE 006 for alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. The update revealed sustained serum AAT production after repeated dosing of 200 milligrams, resulting in approximately 11.9 micromolar total AAT with 7.2 micromolar of mutant-corrected MAAT. The company has also completed both multi- and single-dose cohorts as the RestorAATion-2 study progresses. Despite these positive findings, WVE shares experienced a decline during intraday trading. This reflects a balancing act in the market, weighing promising efficacy signals against recent disappointing fundamentals. The company reported a second-quarter revenue decline of around 56% and an increased loss per share, which keeps financing and execution risks at the forefront. In the short term, these clinical results are expected to support potential upside and increased trading volatility, especially if investors perceive the data as reducing risks associated with the GSK collaboration and potential milestone gains. Looking to the long term, sustained clinical success with WVE 006 has the potential to significantly enhance the stock's valuation by unlocking partnership payments and commercial value. Additionally, the optionality in the pipeline, which includes a preclinical obesity program, offers further upside, although it is contingent upon securing funding and navigating regulatory progress. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned WVE an outperform grade with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned WVE a buy grade with an initiate action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned WVE a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned WVE a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned WVE an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Wave Life Sciences stock a general strong sell rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock an strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Wave Life Sciences. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term development of the stock. Wave Life Sciences Ltd stock currently indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at $9.59 and $8.82. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 21.18%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has increased alongside falling prices recently, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 8 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago, the relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 60 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal 40 days ago, the relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Wave Life Sciences. Wave Life Sciences Ltd finds support from accumulated volume at $7.95. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 89 cents between its high and low, which represents 12.44%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Wave Life Sciences, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts are forecasting a consensus estimate of negative $300. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Wave Life Sciences. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Wave Life Sciences is at $8.34. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Wave Life Sciences encounters its first support level at $7.95. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for WVE Life Sciences from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of August, 2025, Verdine Gregory L. executed an insider sale of 10,000 shares of ordinary shares. On the same day, Balno Paul conducted an insider sale of 217,351 shares of ordinary shares. On the 15th of August, 2025, Tan Aikna made an insider purchase of 21,000 shares of ordinary shares. On that same day, Tan Aikna also executed an insider sale of 21,000 shares of ordinary shares. Additionally, on the 15th of August, Tan Aikna sold 21,000 shares of a share option, which is the right to buy. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 63.432. In summary, insiders have purchased a total of 14,303,693 shares and sold 1,803,918 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is WVE Life Sciences stock a good buy? WVE Life Sciences Ltd stock exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that WVE Life Sciences Ltd will struggle in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold to a sell recommendation. Analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is inflated. For trading on Thursday, the 4th of September, we predict that WVE Life Sciences will open lower by 295 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $7.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.